The LUMIX G9 Mark II's new autofocus technology combines recognition technology with phase detect autofocus. It's the first G-series camera to implement phase detect technology. The camera has human, animal, car and motorcycle detection modes, as well as eye or body for the human and animal modes. This precision enables you to nail your focus even in a fast-moving or high-pressure environment. Let's see it in action. For the solo creator. If you're a solo creator, you need to know your camera is capturing what you need every time. The LUMIX G9 Mark II tracks objects when you show them to camera perfectly. It can also track you from afar as you approach the camera. As you can see, there's no hunting, and when it changes focus, the motion is smooth and precise. The LUMIX G9 Mark II is perfect for solo creators. If you regularly photograph or film fast-moving subjects, then the G9 Mark II has you covered. The autofocus locks on and follows the subject all the way through the frame, even at speed. This can work for a whole range of content, from sports to wildlife, to weddings, to pet photography, and of course for motorcycles and cars. And you can see the recognition doing its job in real time. It finds the eyes or the body of the subject and it locks on. You can see it all happening on the screen of your camera. There's no focus pulsing or hunting. It's really reliable and accurate, even in lower light. As you can see, the autofocus within the G9 Mark II is incredibly impressive and reliable in plenty of different situations. Whether you're capturing a fast-moving subject, or if you're shooting in tricky lighting, the G9 Mark II has you covered.